In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget in Monarch Money using a straightforward walkthrough that ensures you can establish your financial plan effortlessly. Let's dive in and have you setting up your budget in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Monarch Money website. If you're unfamiliar with Monarch Money, it's a powerful tool for managing finances, allowing you to create, monitor, and adjust your budget conveniently all in one place. Once you're there, navigate to the budget section of the site. If you're new to Monarch Money, don't worry, these steps are designed to ease you into the budgeting process. Now, if this is your first time setting up a budget here, click on the Create My Budget button. This option will start the process of guiding you through setting up your personalized budget. You'll notice the interface is user-friendly, allowing for a smooth experience. Next, head over to the upper right corner of the page and click on Settings. From there, you'll want to select Start Setup. This is the main launch pad for customizing and tweaking your budget to fit your personal financial situation. During the setup process, one of the first options you will encounter is the ability to add a group. This feature is particularly useful if you want to categorize various types of expenses or incomes under specific labels tailored to your needs. Once you've organized your financial categories, click on Continue to advance to the next part of the setup. When it comes to selecting the methodology for your budget, you'll be presented with choices. Feel free to select the one that aligns with your financial goals. For this example, we'll proceed with a predetermined option just to give you a glimpse of the potential configurations. With that done, you can click Continue. Now is a suitable time to enter some specific figures. Here, you'll be able to type in the amount for fixed expenses, giving you clarity on how to allocate those portions of your budget. Again, hit Continue to keep the momentum going. You'll also want to select the frequency of certain expenses. This ensures that both non-monthly and variable expenses are accounted for within your overall plan. Enter your target amounts, and if there's a monthly budget to consider, ensure you enter it in the provided field. Upon finalizing this segment, tap Continue. Finally, one of the last steps lets you enter any additional monthly budget figures. Once everything looks good and feels balanced for your needs, do a final check before clicking View My Budget. This action takes you to a comprehensive overview of your newly created budget, summarizing all your inputs and choices. Congratulations! You've just created a budget in Monarch Money. This budget will serve as an effective tool in managing your finances, enabling you to adjust and refine it as your financial situation evolves.